Now Mike spent 20% of his salary on a wallet and 40% of his remaining money on an insurance policy. He was left with $1,800. How much was his salary? Firstly, okay, 20% can be expressed as 1 over 5, 1/5. So we convert it into fractions. So Mike spent 1/5 of his salary on wallets. 5 represents, denominator 5 represents his total salary, and 1 representing the wallets. So we draw 5 equal units to represent his salary, and 1 unit has been used for the wallets. And then he got a remaining of 4 units. Okay, and then we are told that he out of 40% of his, he spent 40% of his remaining 40%. All right, so he spent 40% of the remaining on insurance policy. 40% expressed as fraction is 2 over 5. So we rewrite it into he spent 2 over 5 of the remaining on insurance policy. Right here, denominator 5 is referring to the remaining. Okay, so we want to cut the remainder into 5 equal parts. Alright, out of these 5 equal parts, 2 equal parts have been used on insurance policy. So we label it. So he was left with a total of 3 parts. Okay, and the question told us that he was left with $1,800. That means to say 3 parts is equal to $1,800. Therefore, 1 part will be equal to 1,008 divided by 3, which is $600. Alright, that's for 1 part. Now, since we know that by looking at the model, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units is equivalent to 5 equal parts. That means to say the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. We can cut and convert units and parts into blocks. Okay, by cutting each unit into 5 blocks and each part into 4 blocks. As such, we want to find a salary, so you know that salary there is a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, which is equal to 25 blocks. Okay, now we got to find what is 1 block now. Now we know that 1 part is equal to 4 blocks as we cut, and 1 part is equivalent to $600 as we calculated, and therefore $600 is equal to 4 blocks, and 1 block will be $600 divided by 4, which is $150. That's for 1 block. Okay, we're supposed to find his salary. His salary is total 25 blocks. So we got to take $150 multiplied by 25, work that out, and you get $3,750. Okay, so his salary was $3,750. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.